This is part 15 of payroll management software. Today we'll create employee report form. Okay, first we'll create a report form. Under this report form folder, right click, add Windows form. Form name will be form employee report. Click this add button. Okay, first change this text here. Employee report. Now I am going to add crystal report viewer. Here I don't want this group tree. Click this small icon here. Change this to none. Okay, now save this. Now we have to create reports. Under this report folder, add new item. Here select reporting. Report name will be employee. Click add. uh, Select as a blank report. Click OK. In the report header, we will display the header for this report file. Okay, first we will change this page setup. Right click, design, page setup. By default, page options letter is selected. I want A4. Select that one. Click OK. Right click, insert text object. Here, heading will be employee report. Okay, format object. Here, style will be bold. Size will be 12. Then click OK. Okay, save this. Now go to SQL Server. In employee table, we have this much columns: employee ID, name, mobile, email, PAN number, date of birth, bank detail, address, file name, image data. Okay, we will display from employee ID to date of birth. So total 6 columns. Okay, yeah. In page header section 2, we will add a header to this page. Okay, right click, insert text object. First serial number. Copy this one and pasting here. This will be employee ID. This will be employee name. Next we have columns mobile, email, PAN number, date of birth. Mobile, email, PAN number, date of birth. Okay, now select all. Right click, format multiple objects. Here go to font. Here I want to change this style to bold. Font size will be 11. Click OK. Okay. Now in section 1 report header, I want to add printer date. Okay, right click, insert first text object. Your text will be printer date. Okay, right click, insert special field. In that select print date. Okay, expand this one and right click, format object. By default, default short format is selected. I want this format and click this customize button. Here I want to display first day, month and then year. Okay, select this one order and click OK. Okay. Now in detail section we have to display the data from the SQL table. Okay, for that right click here database fields, right click database export. Um, in that expand this project data ado.net data sets. Okay, here already we have employee table, so click this button, it will come this side, click OK. Now we have employee table here. Okay, now serial number we don't have in this table, so right click insert special field. Here we have record number. By default it's in right alignment, a default alignment, change this to left. And number, go to common tab. Here horizontal alignment is left, click OK. Then employee ID, delete this field heading. Okay, change this format, number and horizontal alignment is left. Okay, then employee name, then mobile number, then email, PAN number, finally we want to add date of birth. Okay, click this main report preview. This is how our reports look like this. Here we want to format this date of birth object. Okay, go to main report, right click this date of birth, format object, change this to this one and click customize. Here go to date tab, select this order day, month, year, click OK. Okay, now if you want lines you can add, go to toolbox. Here we have line object, select this one, then vertical lines. Okay, now save this and right click here. Here we don't have fit section. Okay, here right click fit section, right click details fit section here. Okay, save this. Okay, now we'll write code for this employee report form. Okay, first we'll declare report document object crypt. Okay, crisp report. Yeah, we need to add namespace for this crystal reports.engine. Okay, now inside this load event, first we will load the report file, employee report file. Then we will call connection class function. So I will copy code from here and pasting here. Here in this first line, we are loading a report file from reports folder from this project file. Okay, here report name is here employee. Okay, then we are calling connection class function. We declare dataset object dst equal new dataset. Then we are fetching data from employee table. Select star from employee table. Then we are filling that fetched details into dataset object dst. Okay, then that data source will be that data set object dst. Finally we are assigning that crystal report viewer one dot report source will be that report document object crypt. Okay, save this. We created this form employee report. We have to call this from form main. Okay, go to main form. Here under reports we have to add employee report. Double click this one, copy the code book and pasting here. Yeah, form name is form emp report. Okay, copy this one and pasting here. Save this. Now it will work. Let's start the application. Login. Under reports menu we have sub report employee report. Now that report is generated. We have header employee report. Here we are displaying printer date, this current date, and we are displaying serial number, employee ID, employee name, mobile, email, PAN number, and date of birth, etc. Okay. In our next video, we'll create payslip for employee. Okay. Thank you for listening this.